Okay, this is what your spreadsheet looks at right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring everything back because right now column D and column I are not full in. So let's go ahead and just bring over the first side. We'll cover that all over. We'll cut those in and we'll drop it right into D. It's going to be over into C, and I'll show you how to fix that here in a second. So you cut that back in, you push that in, and you're going to go over to the H side where it belongs, where it should belong. We'll cut that over, drop that off, put in. So this kind of looks like the way it should be. But if you look, the street is kind of full over. All you do is you go back over to this side. When you see the arrows go over, you hold over with your left finger, your mouse, and just bring it over. And the same goes over with D. You can bring that over here and make that fit that way. I'm not sure what it said about how sides should be, because sometimes they say this is what your side should be. And so D, and then for it doesn't really say that. But you can set to whatever side you want. As you can see, moving it over, it shows you the different width. If you want, you can bring it over to the different widths that are there. Or when if you notice, you just hover it over and you get that blank in there, you just click it, double click it, and it moves automatically to the right side. Same with E, you just bring that over. Oh, look at that, it goes all the way over. You want the zip codes, do the same thing. Double click, and it goes right there. You double click on your left finger of your mouse. And do the same over here. You can do it right there, or you can bring it over as far as you want. And that's the way you bring that all over. I hope that helped you. Okay.